In this incredible 17-part series, we take you down a Blender workflow deep dive by using mostly free open source software like Blender, Google Maps, and Panui. You'll learn how to create a stunning 360-degree virtual tour just like this. So grab yourself a cuppa and let's get stuck in. This is lesson 4, image manipulation with Photoshop, part 3. Here's the end of basically dropping all these things in. I'll show you the last one, so that's what I do. And you can see how the street level from here is very, so there is a bit of the hill up here, and that's what's good about this, that you at least get a good idea when you go into Blender that there is a bit of a grade difference as it comes up to some sort of a hill, a little higher than it is down here. So that's the main street, and then it comes up as this side street. And someone just dropped in how we do this, so you can see kind of very simply. I just keep a little bit of the end one, wiring them up as best I can, and then just put a little bit of a thing there, and then see if I can get this set up. So problem with the tree, messed things up a little bit, but I think that's it right there. Let's see how that fits right in like that. There we go. What I'm gonna do is I'll make this it's a long PNG, but I'll do is I'll just crop this down and make it as small as possible. Crop this down. I think that's good there. It's good there. I want to keep that as good as I can, and then I'll put these all together. Doesn't matter. I'll call this I'll call this the restaurant row 01 for now, and that's my PNG. I just do like this. Quick export, PNG, simple. Like I said, we're not going to use this that much as far as this, so I'm going to come into where I'm at, and I'm going to save it where I didn't want it, and I'll bring it into bring this into Blender. If you got something out of the tutorial, please hit like, and even better, subscribe so you're notified as more are uploaded. Then if you'd like to explore the finished project, click on the link in the description below.